Smile. How could you take a picture of a fish swimming underwater? You would have to use special equipment or tools. People use underwater photography or taking pictures for different reasons. A scientist might want to learn more about sharks. Some people like it just because they think it is fun. Underwater dress. To take pictures in deep water, a photographer uses a scuba tank or air tank to breathe. An underwater photographer also must take lessons to use a scuba tank. An underwater photographer also wears a mask and swim fins. It is a good idea to wear a rubber suit called a wetsuit. These suits help to keep a person warm and safe from stinging animals. Using the right tools. An underwater photographer uses a special camera to take pictures. The camera is made to keep out water. There are other helpful tools too. Some tools can be used to light up a dark place. Other tools help to get a closer look at a fish swimming by. Camera. A special camera is used underwater. Scuba tank. This tank holds the air for breathing underwater. Wetsuit. This suit keeps a photographer safe and warm. Swim fins. A photographer wears fins to swim better.